places where there are big.
U.S. stocks suffered steep losses on Monday, April 21st, as U.S. President Donald Trump ramped up his attacks on Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, prompting investors to worry about the central bank's independence, even as they grapple with the effects of Trump's ongoing erratic trade war. All three major indexes tumbled, with big losses in the Magnificent Seven group of megacap growth stocks, weighing heaviest on the tech-laden Nasdaq.
Today with stocks, it's another ugly day. You had some tweets or Truth Social posts from the President of the United States threatening to fire Jay Powell. This is a continuation of the tariff and policy uncertainty we've seen. Policy uncertainty now is well above where it was even during COVID, and with the potential for Jay Powell being fired, which would be unprecedented. That's really causing investors to really worry today. If politics starts getting into monetary policy, you now, as a foreign investor, even a U.S. domestic investor, can't necessarily trust that your interest as a bondholder will be respected. And so that's a potential risk for the dollar and a potential risk for interest rates. All of this feeds into fears within the stock market as well, because everything levers off of the U.S. Treasury. You're seeing rates tick up here, even with a risk-off market. So this is a really big problem. Hopefully it's just noise. I think most investors are assuming Jay Powell will fill out his term.
Trump escalated his criticism of Powell on Monday, saying the U.S. economy is headed for a slowdown unless Mr. Too Late, a major loser, lowers interest rates now, in a bellicose Truth Social post, which raised concerns over the Fed's autonomy. The Sino-U.S. trade rift deepened after Beijing warned other countries against striking deals with the United States at China's expense, adding fuel to the spiraling tariff war between the world's two largest economies. The S&P 500 lost 124.50 points, or 2.36%, to end at 5,158.20 points, while the Nasdaq Composite lost 415.55 points, or 2.55% to 15,870.90.